If you want to use visual intelligence on iPhone 17, then we have two main ways to do so. First, I'm gonna show you the method that I find quite annoying to use actually. And let me quickly show you why. Because we can use the camera control button to activate visual intelligence, but most of the time, at least in my case, if I press and hold the camera control button, as you can see, it tries to open the camera instead. So I'm not sure why this happens. It's quite annoying to use, honestly. But if you press and hold it for a long time, you should be able to actually turn it on. And there we go. As you can see, we have visual intelligence. But before we move on, what I can also show you is an easy way, a more convenient way, and that is the control center. In this case, you can tap on this plus button in the upper left corner, go to add a control, and then over here in Apple Intelligence and Siri, you should be able to find visual intelligence. So we can add it to the control center, and it's definitely much easier to turn it on, to activate it. Alright, so we can press continue, and now over here you can just you can point at something, at anything really, and you can either ask Siri about that thing, or we can use search. So let's say that in my case, I'm gonna try to ask Siri, what is this? Let's press continue. Unfortunately, we have to toggle ChatGPT first. I'm not sure if that's done yet. Oh, I think we have to say something out loud now. There we go. We don't have to actually. So we have the prompt generated by ChatGPT. It tells us what it is right in front of us. And the photo is actually quite blurry, but it still managed to recognize the car toy. So yeah, it's simple as that. We can also ask about details if we want to. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.